Everybody knows Bugs Bunny, and everybody knows his great nemesis, Elmer Fudd. Today, I'm going to make this cake, which is trying to bring the two together over Bugs Bunny's love of carrots and Elmer Fudd's name sounding like fudge. So this is a carrot fudge cake, easy to make, delicious, beautiful. So let's get to it. What's up, Doc? So carrot cake, really simple. You want flour, sugar, cinnamon. You just work them all together with a wooden spoon. Then 4 eggs, give them a bit of a break up with the spoon. Then slowly start to work in dry with your vegetable oil. Work that all together. When it's all combined into a nice smooth batter like that, add a little touch of vanilla and your grated carrot. This is the Bugs Bunny part of the cake. Bunny rabbits like cakes, so that's why we're making carrot cake in an homage to Bugs Bunny. When your carrot's through that, you want to get your fudge, our homage to Elmer Fudd. Fudge. Now these little pieces of fudge will sort of explode in the cake as it cooks and give these lovely caramelly taste explosions. Some walnuts, all combined. Then we want to transfer into our greased tins. These are about 20 centimeter in diameter, which should give us about 3 cakes. Just slowly pour into the center of the tin. Three. So we're just going to bake those at 180 for about 40 minutes, where they'll rise a little and then be lovely tasty cakes that we can stack and ice. So into the oven. While our cakes are cooking, we're going to make our icing, which is a traditional carrot cake icing. We're just putting some extra fudge in there, like we put in the cake. Carrot cake icing is simple. It's cream cheese, like this. Then you beat it and slowly add your icing sugar. So once that's all incorporated, just want to stir in chopped walnuts, classic carrot cake, and chopped fudge, not so classic carrot cake. And just stir that in with a spoon. And bingo, you got your icing. Cakes have come out of the oven, all lovely and golden brown, and that fudge just sort of exploded in there. The icing's nice and smooth, easy to work with, silky smooth and white. And then we're just gonna spread it on there, sandwich that on like that. Now this cake does contain a fair amount of sugar, but it also contains carrots, so they kind of even each other out. It's a treat, but it's a treat worthwhile, as Elmer Fudd would say. Finally, third piece. And I'm gonna finish it off with some more fudge sprinkled on the top. And there you go, your Elmer Fudd and Bugs Bunny inspired carrot fudge cake. Tall, tantalizing, delicious, rich, a treat, a delight, delectable. Go ahead, give it a try. Don't eat too much of it at once.